Welcome to the Kimchi Health Workshop. Whether you're new to kimchi or you want to up your kimchi game, you're at the right place. You learn how to make kimchi safely and easily at home to boost your health and your family's health. I'm Sunjung, also known as Hungry Gopher. I've been teaching food lovers and home cooks and the power and the benefits of making and eating kimchi at home for 7 years. After getting over 5 million views on YouTube and thousands of kimchi comments and questions from my kimchi fans, I finally decided to share my kimchi health secrets. This is the first in a series of 4 training videos in this workshop. I'll be teaching you a simple, easy solution to improve your gut health so that the last stubborn 20 pounds around your belly will melt away. You wake up feeling energized, jump out of bed in the morning, with much less pain in the body. And your partner enjoys being around you again because you don't yell at him or her for no good reason because you're in so much pain. And how am I so confident? Because I've done it. I transformed my health not only once, but twice. I know what you're thinking. Of course you can do it. You're so young. It's not going to work for me. But hold up there. I gave my mother the exact system that I used. How did it change her life? Well, just to mention a few, she reversed her severe back pain from unable to stand up straight for a couple of hours when she woke up to hiking with her friends who are 10 to 20 years younger than she is. The side effects are even better. She lost her pot belly, reversed pre-diabetic, and dropped all her meds since 2017. Pretty powerful, right? The cornerstone of my health and wellness system lies in gut health. I'll show you the easiest way to guarantee your gut health improvement with making and eating delicious kimchi just right for you. I didn't always know the health benefits of kimchi. When I first started making kimchi on my own 16 years ago, my desire to have homemade kimchi was very simple. I miss the flavors of homemade kimchi so much because I grew up eating my mom's and my grandma's kimchi. I was born and raised in South Korea. When I came to the US in my mid-20s on my own, kimchi was a way to bring a piece of Korea to my daily life in America. The store-bought kimchi lacked flavors and complexity. They also were usually too salty and too spicy for my taste. In 2015, after using steroids for 3 decades for my skin issues, the medicine stopped working. I struggled with severe itchiness, rashes, and hives, even with more usage of steroids. My joint and muscle pains were getting worse. I usually got sprained from my yoga classes and working on a computer. I wore ankle supports and wrist supports almost every day to ease the pain. I started putting some weight on, especially around my belly around this time. I was desperately looking for a solution that would help my health problems. I just wanted to feel normal, at least feel better. So getting out of bed in the morning wasn't such a struggle. And I wanted to stop yelling at my husband for no reason because I was in such pain. Out of desperation, I started digging in and I found something big. The connection between kimchi, gut health, and your overall health. The goal of this workshop is to show you the critical things that you need to know to get healthier by improving your gut health with kimchi easily and safely. Okay, let's dig in. In the first video, we are going to focus on how kimchi benefits your overall health and how kimchi improves your gut health. According to WebMD, kimchi is full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's low in calories and high in fiber. One of the biggest benefits of kimchi is that it's probiotic. What do probiotics do for you? It supports your gut health. And why is gut health important? Because 80% of your immune system is located in your gut. Your immune system is what heals you and protects you from all the bad things that are coming at you. Our modern Western diet drastically lacks probiotics that we need to maintain healthy immune system through gut health. So eating superfood such as kimchi will boost your immune system. So what does it look like when you eat quality, customized kimchi that fits you and your body perfectly? Let me show you. I lost 14 pounds in 12 months and never bounced back. and got a flat belly for the first time in my life without even trying. I became medicine-free and got off steroids that I'd used for 3 decades. I have much reduced joint and muscle pain because kimchi lowers inflammation in the body. You know what's even more amazing? According to WebMD, probiotics have been shown to improve heart health by reducing cholesterol and inflammation. Pretty cool, right? Eating probiotic foods such as kimchi is the most safe and natural way to introduce probiotics into your body. And on top of that, kimchi is very delicious. So how do you find time to make and eat kimchi every day with your crazy busy schedule? Where do you find the ingredients? What if you don't like spicy food? Or if you don't like the taste? Well, I've got a simple solution to solve all the problems just for you. There are more than 180 different types of kimchi in Korea, ranging from mild flavors to pungent spicy kimchi. There are so many varieties to suit your taste. You don't have to drive 30 miles to get 𝙈𝙀𝙏 or gochugaru, which is Korean red pepper flakes, to make kimchi. You can pick a type of kimchi that suits your taste and body so that it's easy, fun, and good for you. You choose a type of kimchi that fits you, not fitting yourself into a kimchi recipe. That's the power and the beauty of kimchi. For example, after 30 years of steroids, my food allergies got so bad I had to remove gochugaru out of my diet for 3.5 years. It's because my digestion was not great. My gut health was in trouble. So I ate delicious mild kimchi to ensure that I ate something that fits my body at the time while enjoying flavors. So which type of kimchi should you make to ensure that your kimchi adventure is fun, easy, and safe? In the next video, we are going to cover 3 types of kimchi so that you can find a type of kimchi that fits you perfectly, which will guarantee your gut health. I'm going to show you fermentation tips. This is really important because this will show you how to enjoy kimchi without wasting time and money safely. But right now, I want to know a little more about you. What does losing those last 20 pounds and feeling wonderful mean to you? How do you feel when you wake up in the morning, feeling wonderful and full of energy? What does it mean to you and your family? Please scroll down below this video and tell me in the comment section. And of course, if you liked this video and found it helpful, I'd love it if you click the like button and share it with your friends. So stay tuned for the next video to learn 3 types of kimchi that you and your body would love. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode in just a couple of days.